What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Fortnite Unavailable on your Epic Games launcher and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into the step. So the first one is all about just go over here in the Epic Games launcher, and right now we need to navigate to the Fortnite or directly go to the library. So once you get into the library, all you have to do is just click on three-dot menu over here, and there is a thing called option. Just click on this one. And right now that is going to take you to this. Go for apply, and once afterwards you have to check with the Fortnite, try launching the game. So right now for me it is going to get updated in the background, so I need to wait. So once it's successfully done, you can try launch the game and you have to check. Apart from this, if you're having the trouble, what we need to do is you just need to go over here in the system tray, click on this one, and right now over here if you click on this one, you can see this. Once you click on the system tray over here, most probably if you find the Epic Games is running over here, right click on this one, and there is an option to exit. Just exit it. Once it is successfully exit, you have to check by launching back the Epic Games launcher once again. Before that, go over here in the Epic Games launcher in the desktop, right click on this one, and right now over here in the right click on this particular one, what we need to do is we just need to go over here in the show more options. Now from here we need to navigate to the properties. Now from here what we need to do is we just need to go over here and we need to make few changes because we're getting completely lagged, I think, because the Epic Games it's updating. So let me stop this. Now just go over here, go to compatibility, and over here make sure that you put a check on disable full screen optimization, and also you put a check on run this program as an administrator as well. Both should be marked, and go for apply and go for OK. Once it's successfully done, all you have to do is just go back to the Epic Games launcher. Right now click on the profile icon over here and directly navigate to the settings. Now from here what we need to do is you just need to expand this, and over here there is an option called edit vault location. So if you find anything named edit vault location, what we need to do is just try changing it. So if you don't find anything over here named edit vault location, you're fine with it, but it might end up for some users they can change it, so you can change it. That's what you have to try, and afterwards most probably try launching the Epic Games launcher, so it will be working like a fine. So make sure one thing, if many things is updating in the background and all those things going to make a lot of mess on your PC, so make sure you close everything in the background like what I'm going to face right now. So that's what you have to try, and I hope this video is helpful. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.